This is the LG window unit that we got from Amazon. Where we live, it is really hot in the summertime, and we only have a swamp cooler in our house, so we really needed some AC in our bedroom to help us sleep better at night. So we decided to go with the LG model. We've had this one for about 4 years now. It still runs like a champ. It looks like it's been beat to death in battle. But it really works great in our bedroom. I have one here, and then I have another one of these in my son's room. And again, they've been running like a champ for the many years that we've had it. So basically what we had to do is get it here in the window, and it comes with these little panels that kind of stretch out from the unit. It's supposed to go in your window. However, they're kind of flimsy, and we didn't love the way that they were working in our window, and our window was a little too long as well, and so that's why we got this insulated part here that we just duct taped to the window. So we're still using the window adapter that came with the unit. We just had to reinforce it a little bit, and yes, it looks ugly as sin. However, it is effective, it is working, and we just close our curtains and it doesn't bother us. So that is what we've been doing for that part. And then we just plugged it into our outlet, and when we're ready for it to work, we just hit the on switch. And now we have beautiful cold refrigerated air coming out this vent. We can change the fan speed, low and high. And right here, you can control how cold it is. So if you want it to be as cold as possible, you go to 9. If you want it to not be so cold in here, you could go all the way down to 1. Or if you just want the fan noise, you can go to fan only. So really simple, really basic, but also super effective. It is pretty heavy. You can see it sticking out my window back here. It's pretty heavy and kind of awkward to carry around. So just keep that in mind. Don't drop this thing on your foot when you are removing it from your window, because it will hurt. And then you gotta clear a pretty big space in your closet to store this thing during the winter time when you remove it from your window. But other than that, it does the job. It's not anything fancy, but it definitely keeps us cool, and we sleep great at night. Also, after you get yourself one of these, don't forget to clean the filter about once a month. It's really easy. All you have to do is pull on this front piece here, and this is the filter. So you can see I've got a little bit of dust building up here. I just go run it under the kitchen faucet, get all the yuckies off, and then slide it back into place, and you're good to go.